Hello and thanks for joining us here at Tesco. My name is Steven, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your manual wheelchair ramp found on your Frontrunner or your Sunset Promaster low-floor van. Before proceeding, remember that Tesco is not liable for any damage or injuries incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment, as this video is for informational purposes only. We'll start our procedure here in the driver's seat, first by making sure that the vehicle is turned on. Then, it's a good idea to have the parking brake on to ensure that the vehicle does not move when deploying the wheelchair ramp. And then, we'll move to our control panel here up on the ceiling above the rear view mirror. On the far left, we'll see the switch for opening the door. And we're gonna go ahead and click the top side of that switch to open the rear entry door. However, if you're already on the outside of the vehicle without hitting the door switch, you can always open the door by tapping the inside of this green circle found here, with a simple touch. And before we go ahead and bring this wheelchair ramp out, make sure that you are on level ground and that your area is completely clear and free of obstructions. Now that we're ready to bring the wheelchair ramp out, we'll want to go ahead and locate the lever here on the side where we just lift up, which unlocks the latching mechanism on the floor and allows the ramp to roll forward, just like this, all the way to the entrance. And while you're rolling your wheelchair ramp forward, make sure you watch out for the folding floor latch on the left-hand side by the door, making sure it comes up all the way, so when you pull this ramp forward, it clicks into place, locking it so that way it's ready to deploy. Next, we'll want to locate our red release lever, which we'll find on the right-hand side, and it'll be towards the bottom and behind this aluminum grab handle here. We'll go ahead and lift that up and bring the ramp forward just like this. And then let's bring the wheels down to the ground right here, and then easily roll it forward, just like this, until it's unfolded and ready to use. Alternatively, when rolling the front of the ramp forward, don't be afraid to let it fall, where it will just drop into place. To stow it away is just as easy. We'll go ahead and grab the handle here, but towards the back, so that way we lift up from the middle, like so, rolling the wheels back all the way until the ramp is in a standing position. And then from there, we'll go ahead and lift it up just a little bit, easy enough, following it and pushing it back into the vehicle until it clicks into place. From here, we'll go ahead and find that latch on the left-hand side that we used before, lifting it up, which will unlock it from the floor, allowing us to roll the ramp all the way inside until it clicks into place. Don't forget to close your door. And then finally, release your parking brake, and then you're ready to drive away. And that is how to use your manual wheelchair ramp on your Frontrunner or your Sunset Promaster low-floor van. For instructional materials on using the Q-Straint wheelchair tie-down system, please refer to Q-Straint's website for all the necessary materials there. For all of your transportation equipment and mobility needs, choose Tesco Bus for our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit us today. Thanks for watching.